With more people prioritizing fitness and convenience, the demand for high-quality exercise bikes has soared. Whether you're a cycling enthusiast, a casual rider, or looking for a low-impact cardio option, the right exercise bike can revolutionize your home workouts. In this guide, we evaluate the best exercise bikes based on resistance type, comfort, List number: Peloton indoor exercise bikes. Original Peloton bike and Bike Plus. Peloton has become a household name in fitness for a reason. The original Peloton bike and the upgraded Bike Plus offer a premium indoor cycling experience with immersive live and on-demand classes. Both models feature smooth belt drive systems, high-quality frames, and access to a vibrant community via the Peloton app. The Bike Plus enhances the experience with a rotating HD screen, auto-follow resistance, and improved speakers. While they come at a premium price, the motivation from world-class instructors and the ever-expanding content library more than justifies the investment. List 2. Recumbent exercise bike for home use. Quiet recumbent stationary bikes for adults and seniors. Ideal for seniors or those with joint issues, this recumbent exercise bike emphasizes comfort and low-impact cardio. With a wide seat, supportive backrest, and ergonomic design, it's easy on the knees and spine. The 16 levels of magnetic resistance provide a surprisingly varied workout, while its whisper-quiet operation makes it suitable for shared spaces. A large LCD display helps track your speed, distance, calories, and heart rate. It lacks app connectivity, but for users focused on simplicity and rehabilitation, this bike offers excellent value. List 3. YOSUDA exercise bike. Brake pad stationary bike for home with exclusive app. The YOSUDA exercise bike blends traditional resistance with modern app integration, offering great value for home users. Its sturdy steel frame, 35-pound flywheel, and belt-driven system ensure a smooth, quiet ride. The friction-based brake pad allows for infinite resistance levels, making it ideal for HIIT and endurance training. It comes with an iPad holder, water bottle holder, and a basic LCD monitor. YOSUDA's exclusive app adds structured training and progress tracking, enhancing your workouts without a subscription. An excellent choice for intermediate users who want a durable bike with app support. List number: PUBU exercise bike. Adjustable magnetic brake pad resistance, silent belt drive. A hybrid design makes the PUBU exercise bike stand out. It offers both magnetic and friction resistance, giving users full control over intensity. The sturdy frame supports high-intensity sessions while maintaining low noise levels thanks to its silent belt drive. Fully adjustable handlebars and seat allow for a personalized fit, making it comfortable for multiple users. The LCD monitor tracks all the essentials, and it includes a phone tablet holder for entertainment or virtual rides. It's a versatile mid-range bike that accommodates everyone, from beginners to advanced riders seeking varied resistance styles. List 5. Plenty folding exercise bike. 5-in-1 stationary bikes for home with back support. The Plenty folding exercise bike is a space-saving solution packed with features. Designed as a 5-in-1 unit, it functions as an upright and recumbent bike, includes arm resistance bands, and features back support, making it perfect for full-body workouts. It supports up to 330 pounds and features a 6.6-pound flywheel for smooth pedaling. Its foldable design is ideal for apartments or limited spaces, and the LCD monitor tracks your key stats. While it's not built for hardcore cyclists, it's great for beginners, seniors, or anyone wanting a comfortable, compact, and affordable bike.